in your book, you talk about the information theory of aging. So how this information gets lost?
Well, we have two major types of information in our bodies that we inherit from our parents and during development. One is the genome, of course, our DNA, which is digital, 4 bases, ACTG, so it's base 4 digital information, which surprisingly is largely intact as we get older. We know this because if I was allowed to, I could take one of your skin cells and clone you. Therefore, the genome must be intact in those cells. What we've also realized and discovered is that there's another type of information that goes horribly wrong as time progresses, and that's the epigenetic information, the reading system of the genome. And what drives that change in the epigenome is what we've discovered in my lab is it's essentially excessive cell injury.
If you want to learn more about the science of epigenetics and nutrition longevity, check out my newsletter at Aronica.com and in the link below this video so you won't miss my upcoming free webinars, courses, and live Q&A.